Hi, Wim. How are you doing?
Hi, Walid. I'm doing fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining me. I have these questions. I mean, you and the AM team are the gurus, or I can say the masters of CFD. So, for the industry professionals in the water industry, can you tell us what does it mean and how can they use it?
Sure, Walid. Thank you for the nice compliment on being the gurus of computational fluid dynamics. But it's an important topic. It's an important topic. CFD, computational fluid dynamics, is actually, it's a very realistic flow simulation tool that allows you to visualize what happens inside equipment, inside processes, inside reactors. It's not only flow, it's bubbles, it's particles, it's reactions, chemical, biochemical reactions. And not sufficient water practitioners, I think, are aware of the current potential, what you can do with it today, and also the future potential. We have, I think, three main categories of applications. We work on all of them. The first one is the early development and R&D stage of a technology. So if you use CFD in that stage, you can answer these important questions on what is the best reactor design here? How should we scale up a process? And it's a time-taking, it's an it's a money-taking process. And if we apply CFD there, we try to reduce or completely replace physical piloting. And this is what we call virtual piloting. Vastly underrated, largely unknown, but we work with a couple of technology companies that are making large leaps there. I think the second big domain is the design. So the design before you build a plant or before you build a system. And of course, if you use CFD in a wise manner there, you can, of course, design your system much better because you can predict future behavior, future flow rate. You can stress test the system much better. And I think also in that area, still much potential lies. And then we have the third one is when a process or a system is in operation, you can also use CFD, I think, to screen for energy saving opportunities, troubleshooting, or, for example, to screen for performance increase. Um, Three very important domains. Not many people are aware about the speed of today. It goes very fast. About the capabilities it has and the reliability of the tool. And it's just like with any specialist craft, I think, I always compare it with a pilot. If you have your flying hours, and also if you have your experience and expertise, it can be a very smooth ride. So that's, I think, the summary of the potential of CFD.
It's amazing. And I think today, especially with our lockdowns, and the social distancing and so on. So I think it's even more important to do, like, as you mentioned, virtual piloting and all these benefits. So thank you, Wim, for sharing. And I invite people to check on your website for more information.
Thanks a lot, Walid. It was a pleasure.
Thanks. Take care.